Hello children, in the last lesson we have learnt about what is a tree, right? Yes, what is a tree? Yes, what are the uses of it? What farmer said about the tree? He said it is a plow, right? Plow, right? Yes, then fisherman, what did he say? He said it is a boat, right? And homemaker, see, she's homemaker, right? She said it is firewood. Traveler said it is shade. Children said it is a place for us to play, right? What monkey said, monkey and parrot said that it is a place for me to live and it is my food to eat. Yes or no? Yes. See here, glossary. Homemaker. Who is homemaker? A wife who does work at home, means a mother. Mother is a homemaker. Firewood. Wood used to make fire. See, sticks which are used to make fire, they are known as firewood. Next, see here, we'll go for this question answers later. See here, when Ammu asked what a tree is, different people gave different answers. What are they? What farmer said? It is a plow, right? Plow, P-L-O-U-G-H. Write down, plow. Page number 35. Yes. What fisherman told? It is a boat, B-O-A-T, boat. What homemaker said? Homemaker said it is a firewood, F-I-R-E, fire, W-O-O-D, wood, firewood. What traveler said? Yes, he said it is shade, S-H-A-D-E, shade. What children told Ammu? It is a place for us to play. Place to play. Yes. What parrot told Ammu? Yes, it is a place for me to live and eat. Place to live and food to eat. Right. Place to live and food to eat. Finished? See, write down. Yes, now turn the page. Yes, here vocabulary first you see. Trees are very important for us. They help us in many ways. Yes or no? Trees are very important for us. Trees are everything in our life, right? They help us in many ways. How they help us? See, we have uses of a tree and we have it is a word web, okay? We have to write. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 8 uses of tree. Come on, tell me. Yes, trees give air, right? Fresh and clean air. Trees give us oxygen, right? Okay, right here, oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. And what we get from tree? What more? Yes, food, right? We get food from trees, right? Like fruits and all. Yes, right here. F-O-O-D, food. Then, shelter. Yes or no? Shelter. It gives us shelter, right? Yes. Yes, H-E-L-T-E-R, shelter. Write down. Next, yes, how paper is made, you know? Paper is made through wood of the tree. So, paper. Next, it gives us shade, right? Yes, shade. Yes, S-H-A-D, shade. Shade. Next. Yes, it gives us furniture also, right? Furniture in the sense chairs, table, sofa sets. This all comes under furniture, right? Yes, it is made up of the wood from the tree. Yes, Furniture. Furniture. Next, Furniture. Furniture. Uses of tree. What more we can get from tree? Yes, flower. We get flowers, right? Yes. Flowers. 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 Then, most important. Yes. Trees and leaves are used as medicine. Yes, Medicine. Medicine. Yes, come on, write down. Oxygen, food, shelter, paper, shade, furniture, flowers, medicine. Yes, finished. Okay, now next second bit, you see all the parts of trees are useful to us in different ways. Here we saw uses of a tree, right? Yes, uses of a tree. Here every part of tree is useful. What are the parts of a tree? Leaf, fruit, root, stem, flower. Yes or no? They all are the parts of the trees, right? They are also useful to us in different ways. Now draw the part and write their uses. One is done for you. See, first one we have leaf. Which leaf it is? Yes, it is neem leaf. What are the uses of it? Neem leaf is used as medicine. Yes, neem leaf is used as medicine. Then pesticides. Pesticides in the sense pesticides are used to kill insects which damage the crops in agricultural fields. Okay. Manure means wastage which is used in agricultural fields, right? To fertile the soil. Okay, here fruit. Take one fruit and write the uses. Here I am taking orange. Okay. You can paste the orange a picture. Okay, or you can draw orange spelling. Yes, ORANGE, orange. Yes, orange. Okay, what are the uses of orange? Yes, you eat orange fruit, right? Yes, it is used in boosting our immunity power. If you eat orange, you will be so healthy. Okay, so right, first one is it is used in orange is used to boost immunity. Boost IMMUNITY, immunity. Boost immunity, right? Boost immunity means you will be so healthy. Okay, immunity power, it increases your immunity power. Then it has rich source of which vitamin? Vitamin C. VITAMIN, vitamin C. Vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C, write it down. Yes, you can pause it and you can write and then you can play my video. Then root. See here, carrot is a root, right? Yes, what is the spelling of carrot? CARROT, carrot. Okay, what are its uses? Yes, first thing is it increases our eyesight. So no? Yes, if you eat carrot, you can remove your specs if you have specs, like me. You know, right? I have specs, right? So if you eat carrots a lot, then what happens? It increases your eyesight. Okay, you can look very clearly. Okay, right here. Increase INCREASE, increase Eyesight. EYEISIGHT. Sight. Eyesight. Increase eyesight. Okay. Now second. Yes, it lowers blood pressure. People have blood pressure, right? BP. They get angry a lot. Okay. So it lowers that blood pressure. See right here. LOWER. Lowers. Yes, lowers. BLOOD. Blood. PRESSURE. Pressure. Blood pressure. Lowers blood pressure. Right down. Finished? Yes. Now coming to another box. What it is? It is a flower, right? Which flower? Yeah, sunflower. You can paste the pictures or you can draw in this way. Okay. Okay. What it is? Which flower it is? Sunflower. Right here. SUN. Sun. It is not SA. It is SU. SUN. Sun. Right flower here. Flower. Flower. Sunflower. Its uses. What are the uses of sunflower? You know, in our kitchen, your mom uses which oil? Palli, groundnut oil and sunflower oil, right? Yes. We can produce kitchen oil, I mean vegetable oil through sunflower. So, produce, PRODUCE, produce oil. Produce oil. Next, second one, sunflower seeds have rich source in vitamin C. It has vitamin E right here. VITAMIN, vitamin E. Yes, right on. Sunflower, it produces oil and it has vitamin E. Sunflower seeds have vitamin E, right? Okay, see. Leaf, fruit, root, flower. Okay? Yes, write down. See, once again I am saying it. Neem, medicine, pesticides, manure. Fruit, orange, boost immunity, vitamin C. Carrot, increase eyesight, lowers blood pressure. Sunflower, produce oil, vitamin E. Okay? Yes. Okay, we have finished this, right? Now look here. We have table of fruits, vegetables, flowers and leafy vegetables, right? What is your work is write all whatever you know. Okay, fruits names in this, then vegetables names in this. Okay, flowers, leafy vegetables. Okay, write the names of that plants and trees from which we get these fruits, vegetables. Now see, fruits. Mango tree. From mango tree we get mango. Apple. Okay, write whatever you know in fruits you can write in this. Okay, vegetables, potato, tomato, everything. Flowers, you know flowers also. Okay, leafy vegetables. Okay, try whatever you know you write, then I'll send you some picture in that, then you can copy it. Okay, but at least try to write at least 5. Okay, each and everything. Okay, yes. Now we'll see grammar part. Now here, come here, look at the pictures given on page 33 and 34. Answer the following questions using the hints given. What he is saying, look at the page number. Which page number? 33 and 34. He is asking us to look 33 and 34 page number, and he gave some hints here, right? Under by following this hints, we should write this answer. Okay, now open 33 and 34 page number. See, this is 33, this page and 34. Looking these two pages, we have to write this answers. Okay. Okay. Now you see first question. Where is Ammu sitting in the first picture? Okay. Hint is what? Under. Under. Okay. Now open. Open which page? Yes, 33 page. Where do Ammu? Wait. Where is Ammu sitting? First picture is this one, right? Okay, where is she sitting? She is sitting. What is the hint? Under. So she is sitting under tree. Yes. So here, turn the page. What is the answer? Where is Ammu sitting in the first picture? Ammu is sitting under a tree. So write down answer. First letter you have to write capital letter. Okay. Ammu is sitting under a tree. Ammu is sitting under a tree. Yes or no? Yes, come on, right. Ammu is sitting under a tree. Where is Bittu standing in the second picture? Hint is beside. Okay, now turn the page. See, this is second picture. Bittu, who is Bittu? Bittu is the friend of Ammu, right? It is a squirrel. Where it is standing? Where it is standing? Beside. Beside Ammu. Yes or no? Beside means pakkaki. Okay. Okay. Now you write here. Bittu is standing beside who? Ammu. Beside Ammu. Bittu is standing beside Ammu. Write down. Yes. Next. Where is Bittu in the third picture? Hint is between. Okay, now see. Third picture. Where is Bittu in third picture? He is between who? Ammu and the fisherman. Right? Ammu and the fisherman. Bittu is between Ammu and fisherman. So turn the page. And here you have to write what? Bittu is between Ammu and who? Fisherman. Fisherman spelling Fisherman. Fisherman. Okay, see, where is Ammu sitting in the first picture? Ammu is sitting under a tree. Okay. See here. See, Ammu is sitting under a tree. Under. Okay. Here, Bittu is standing beside Ammu. Okay. Beside means pakkaki. Okay. Here in third picture, Bittu is in between. See here, Ammu, here fisherman. Bittu is between them. Okay. Bittu is between Ammu and fisherman. Yes. Now turn the page. 38 page number. Next. Where is the stove in the fourth picture? Now again we have to open 34 page number. Okay. Where is the stove in the fourth picture? Behind. See, what is this? Behind. Hint is behind. So open 34 page number. See. Where is the stove? See. Stove is behind the homemaker. Yes or no? Behind ante venakala. Homemaker venakala. So behind is back side. Okay. Behind. So what do you have to write? Stove is behind homemaker. Turn the page. Yes. The stove is behind Homemaker. Behind the homemaker, right? The here. The. Okay. Behind the homemaker. The stove is behind the homemaker. Next. Where are the travelers' belongings in the fifth picture? In. See. Turn the page. Here. Fifth picture is this. Traveler. Where are these travelers' belongings? They are inside this bag. Yes or no? Yes. See. Turn the page. Then. The travelers, the TRAVELLERS, the travelers' belongings are in a bag. Okay, right. The travelers' belongings are in a bag. Right. Next. Where is the monkey in the sixth picture? Here the hint is on. See, last picture. Where is the monkey? The monkey is on the tree. On. Okay. Chittupaina. Okay. Yes. The monkey is on the tree. The monkey is on the tree. Yes. Finished, right? The monkey is on the tree. Now turn the page. Turn the page. We'll see here. First picture. What can we see in the first picture? Ammu is sitting under a tree. Under. Here. The Bittu is beside Ammu. Standing beside Ammu. Here. The Bittu is between Ammu and fisherman. Between. Here. The stove is behind the homemaker. Behind. Here. The traveler's belongings are in bag. Inside. In. Okay. It's inside. Yes. Here. The monkey is sitting on a tree. On. Yes. Now tell me, what are these hints given? See, read. Read the phrases given below and observe the underlined words. See, under the tree, beside Ammu, between Ammu and the fisherman, behind the woman, in the bundle, on the tree. So, the words on, in, under, beside, between, behind, etc. show the relationship of noun or pronoun to other words in the sentence. Such words are called prepositions. We already know parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Yes, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition. See, preposition. What is preposition? It shows the relationship between the noun. Okay. So no, it shows the relationship of noun. Okay. See. So this hints under, beside, between, behind, in, on. This everything comes under prepositions. More examples. See, more examples. Through, along, over, into, near, towards, etc. This shows the relationship of that particular noun. So they are known as prepositions. So what are prepositions? Prepositions are the words which shows the relationship of noun or pronoun to other words in a sentence. Once again, what are prepositions? Prepositions shows the relationship of noun or pronoun to other words in the sentence. Examples of prepositions are what? Yes, under, beside, between, behind, in, on. And some other examples are through, along, over, into, near, towards, etc. Okay, till here it is okay for today. From tomorrow, next in your next class, I'll tell you about next topic. Okay.